I want to show you the easiest way to make Afrobeat drums. Now, first of all, the tempo. Most Afrobeat songs are set between 90 BPM to 120 BPM. So I'm just going to start around 97 BPM, alright? And then next you need a kick. You just right click this, fill each 4 steps. Then the next thing we need is rim shots. Next we're going to play percussions. A guide I can give you when trying to play Afrobeat percussions is try to dodge the kick drum, alright? For example, I already have the kick drums on every 4 step, okay? So we'll just have it anywhere in between the 4 steps and we'll be fine, okay? Let's do the same thing right here. And then you can also have a layer. I usually layer your rim shots, alright? Copy your rim shots, paste it right here. So I could have this. Now the final step I like to add to make my drums even more interesting is using a sub bass kick, okay? So I will have this right here. And this is how it will sound. So if you found this helpful, follow me for more because